In the last video, you guys saw how you can use filters to start filtering data just to look at specific parts of your data. In this video, we're going to look at how to save those filters. So let's say we want to take a look at international students only. Then we want to take a look at grade 12s only, but you don't want to have to erase everything you've done. You'd like to be able to hop back and forth between saved filters. This should be pretty easy. I'm going to do what I did before. I'm going to go here, data, but this time, instead of creating a filter, create a filter view. So when we create a filter view, you're going to see temporary filter, and it says, do we want to save it? And I say, yep, let's save it. And let's call this internationals. So I'll save that there. And now you can see this little tab here says internationals. What it's doing is whatever you do now, this is going to be known as the internationals filter. So if I go to internationals and let's say I say clear, only take one, hit OK. You can notice here 99 or 91 of the rows have been selected. That's how many internationals there were. They're all international students. Not too bad, right? Now if I want to make a new one, all I have to do is this. You can just go data, change view. Whoops. You'll see here this is how you're going to switch your views, but we only have internationals in there. So just create another filter view. So create. You'll see it resets your filters and you start again. So let's say this time I go for grade 12s. So let's clear it. Let's just take grade 12s only, hit OK. And now we have grade 12s only. Save the view. I should have done that right at the beginning, but grade 12s and save it. Let's say I want grade 12s who have, passing. Well, then I do what I sorted before. Data, create a view. Let's go for grade 12s, clear the view. Let's just do the whole school actually. Who's passing the whole school? So select all 5. And we go for score, filter by condition on this one, right? And greater or equal to 50. Okay. And let's save that view. I should have again done that probably together, like school passing. And it's filtered all out. Anyways, you get the idea. If you ever want to hop back to some other filters, you can just go change view, grade 12s, data, change view, internationals. Pretty easy, right? Again, this isn't the best way to get stats, but it's not bad, especially want to see your records or the rows. I'll call them records, right? Every row is a record of a student. And so it's not a bad way. You can get some simple stats down here and you can save your filters. Anyways, that's basically filter saving.